I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Face ID on your iPhone so you can use it for secure unlocking and more.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
Step 1 is to open your Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. If you already have a passcode, you're going to enter it here. Then it will open up the Face ID options here. My Face ID is set up, so it's going to show set up an alternate appearance, but if you don't have one set up, it will show set up Face ID. Once you select that option, you'll click Get Started, and then you're going to position your face within the frame. You're going to move your head slowly in a circle as it says to. That'll be its first scan. You can set up with a mask or without a mask, but I'm going to choose set up later. In that particular instance, you're going to put on a mask and do the same steps. Now your Face ID is set up. Most often when it's your first time setting it up, it'll have you do the look around a few different times, but when you're done, it will go back to your regular settings page here and you'll be all set.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.